Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your Windows 11 computer is very slow to save files. It's acting very slow, and then if there's any open dialog fields to like save as, for example, it takes a while to pop up on your screen. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the search icon, and you want to type in control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. So go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then select troubleshooting. Now you want to select run maintenance task, and then select next. And if it asks to try troubleshooting as an administrator, go ahead and select that. And if it's able to locate and repair anything, it should do so. Otherwise, you can go ahead and close out of here. The next thing I want you guys to do is copy a file path I'm going to have in the description of the video. It starts with %sign AppData. Go ahead and copy that and paste it into the start menu search. Best match should come back with a file folder here. Go ahead and open that up. So any entries in here, just highlight over everything and then tap the delete key on your keyboard, or you can right click and then just delete. So either or. And for certain items that cannot be removed, that's okay. They're probably just being in use at the time. So that's all right. So you're going to go ahead and close out of here. Something else as well, we can try it. If we open up the search menu and type in CMD, go ahead and right click on the command prompt entry and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now I will have two commands in the description of the video. First one is net stop server. The second one is net start server. So go ahead and copy the first one and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit, and then paste that in. Hit enter on your keyboard. It should say the server service was stopped successfully. And then copy the second command, the net start server, and then paste it in the same way you did the first one. And then once it's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And hopefully that should be about it, and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.